Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So let's start our analysis in US 100, US 30, Bitcoin and gold. Here we go, starting with Bitcoin. So these are the levels in Bitcoin for tomorrow, which is 25th May. So you can see I have marked these levels in higher time frame like 4 hours and day time frame, and you can take confirmation with 1 hour time frame or half an hour time frame and go according to the market. So make sure you mark these levels accurately, because when market reaches at these points, these particular specific points, it will definitely maximum react according to the direction of the market. Like for example, if the market is falling like this and you see a level breakdown with a clear bearish candle, so you can expect the market to go to the next high liquidity zone, which is this point. Similarly, when you see a market breaking this level with a high bullish candle, you can expect the market to go to the next liquidity point, which is 78,206.35. So this is how you can make use of the levels. So you can see the levels, the tutorial or kind of how to use these levels I keep explaining in each and every video, and I also post the result of these levels in the evening, which is end of the day, so you can check out the results as well. So for now, these are the levels in Bitcoin, and let's go with gold. Okay, so these are XAU USD levels, and you can see clearly that this whole range is completely consolidated range, which is, it got accumulated from almost 20th May, which is 5 days for now. So you can see this zone is more likely to get manipulated because it is already mitigated. So always make sure that you enter trade, or maybe you kind of think of entering a trade with non-mitigated zone, which is this one for now. So you see non-mitigated zones are those areas where market did not travel in recent times. Okay, so you can see overall trend of gold is bearish. So I feel that due to war conclusion and all that stuff, gold might not kind of go up for a certain time, so it might fall little more. So let's check, let's see, let's wait for gold to open, let's wait for market to open. And mitigated zones are those zones where market might not, the levels might not obey, the market may not obey the levels. So always make sure you go with non-mitigated zones. Okay, so these are levels in gold. Moving on to US 100. So you see in US 100, not just the levels, when you put your price action analysis, when you put your point perspective of analysis or your strategy, you will definitely see the maximum outcome, good outcome of the levels. So you see here, for example, you can see there is a bullish trend right here, right? So you can see, let me draw it with a parallel channel, which is even more better for you to understand. So you can see this is the bullish channel, like, you can see. So now when you see anything moving like this, when it breaks down, definitely market will change its direction. So now it is bullish, it could change into bearish once it breaks this level, this range. So you can see this is like a rough direction of the market. Okay, so if you mark like this, you will understand when the market breaks this range, it can go back for a retracement and then fall. So when you do your own analysis, make sure you mark each and every single possible thing you can see on the chart. Okay, so now I understood the direction of the market. So either market can come till here and get a reversal, or since it already took once, twice, so this is the third time that market is touching this point, so it might get reversed, and fourth time it might fall down. So let's see how it moves. So as of now it is completely bullish, and we see it is exactly at a level of 29,445.4. so once it breaks, we can expect market to reach up till this level, and then after a bullish candle we can expect market to go up again. So these are levels in gold. So same thing applies to gold also. 1 hour candle confirmation is the best time frame confirmation which you can take. So moving to US 30, so I think we have seen US 100, yes, US 100, and moving to US 30 you can see that there is already a breakdown candle, and according to me, according to levels which are high liquidity key zones, market might end up opening at this point, or it's already at all-time high. US 30 has already crossed all-time high, so there are less chances of it going back up again. It can take a retracement till this point, 50,002 to 6.9, but yes, for that we'll have to wait for a good confirmation in higher time frame. So let's see, once market opens I'll be updating you guys in the following channel. And if you want to continue this analysis and like my analysis, kindly subscribe to our channel and follow the videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.